Good evening. You're with India 60 Minutes. I'm Amitabh Revi. With exit polls predicting a hung verdict, the Congress, the BJP and the left are all working on their strategies to form the next government.
I'm Ankita, and it's been a day of number crunching, sending feelers to potential allies. The game now clearly shifting to government formation.
If Sonia Gandhi reached out to allies past and present, the BJP had a series of meetings on the way forward.
As for the left, they're still officially for a non-Congress, non-BJP government at the centre, but all day there was speculation about a possible minority government formula. Our reporters have been following every move made on the political chessboard.
Sonia Gandhi now takes centre stage in alliance number crunching. Despite letting her son take over the campaign, her top priority now is getting assurances of support from wayward allies. Last night, Sharad Pawar drove to her residence. Sources say he told her he was firmly with the UPA. Mrs. Gandhi also called a sulking Bihar ally, Lalu Yadav, with a personal phone call.
As far as we are concerned, as Mr. Pawar and we have said on many occasions, we are part of the UPA. We have fought the elections jointly with the Congress. We would like to see a secular government be in place in Delhi as soon as the election results are out.
Two things are clear. The left says it won't support a Congress-led government. At the same time, it won't allow the BJP to exploit the situation. But what if the Congress were to form a minority government? Will the left then vote against such a government, or would they prefer to abstain? Perhaps the picture would be clearer after May 16th. But going by the statements, one can safely deduct that they may prefer to stay away.
If you were to choose between, let's say, a minority government led by the Congress or the BJP forming the government, what would you do?
Why would I choose?
Against the minority
Why
government?
would I choose? I am saying a non-Congress, non-BJP government is coming.
If you're faced with such a choice that you sit in opposition, it helps the BJP
No,
form
but
the government.
why speculate on all that? I am saying this non-Congress, non-BJP government is coming. In which case all these questions are infructuous.
A confident BJP held a series of strategy meetings at L.K. Advani's house in Delhi. Even Narendra Modi flew in from Gujarat to help Advani get the numbers. At these meetings, the BJP discussed who can be the prospective allies, what will be their terms and conditions to help the NDA get the numbers it wants to be the majority.
बन रही है, जनता बना रही है।
दिल्ली आने का कोई खास विषय? सर, दिल्ली आने का कोई खास विषय?
राजनीतिक कारण, चुनावी प्रक्रिया के बाद का काम, इसमें छुपाना क्या है भाई?
And with it, going down the wire, for leaders like Naveen Patnaik, both the Congress and the BJP have tasked specific leaders to talk to the reluctant Chief Minister. From the Congress, it's Kamal Nath, who would use his Doonskal connections with Patnaik, and the state PCC chief, KP Singh Deo. From the BJP, it's going to be Vijay Raje Scindia. You're not going to help the UPA?
As I said, we will take stock of the situation after May 16th with regard to the national situation and the government in Delhi. But let me not speculate on that. We'll see what happens after the 16th.
Chandrababu Naidu also keeping an eye on which way the wind is blowing. Today, in his most frank indication, said a third front government seems increasingly unlikely.
They don't have any magic figure. They are also short of figure. UPA, they are also short of figure. Even our third front needs some support. How to get all these things, we'll discuss.
From the battlegrounds of UP to Delhi, both Amar Singh and Mulayam Singh are camping in Delhi. Feelers came with a phone call from Digvijay Singh to former nemesis Amar Singh. Talks are on with NCP, and despite a shrinking influence in UP, the SP still holds some aces, with no word from Mayawati.
उन्होंने कहा कि हमारी अगर कोई भूल चुकी हो, अगर चुनाव के वो में हमने कोई गरम बात कर दी हो, तो आप कृपया भूल चूक माफ़ करिए और बीती ताई विचार के आगे की सुध लीजिए।